Ayos, pinyaga na.
Tapos na. Tapos na. Tututurin.
Wala video?
Okay kaso! Okay lang ko na, basta dala. Ha? Ay, sorry.
Pound na lang mo dito.
Oo. Para lang, picture. Hindi ka na yan. Bon!
Ay, mapasok.
Ano ba po na ako? Kulay mo nila. Ano naman? Basta hindi ka na kulay? Oh, dali. Mulai na kay last 2 speed na. Oh, gusto. Wala dama na mo. Mulai na.
Kuha unta na yung kuhan.
Ako ning lens. Mon, ito dapat ng puno mo, no? Ay, layo ko yan. Ay, focus mo. Pwede na yan. Dala niya. Umidjip kami. Up!
O dali yaki may tricycle ran. May pit ka tricycle.
Inutan ko inaisa ka, we?
Oh, grabe persa sa web, no? May bulan dito. Ano lang?
Ikaw na lang, dali lang. Picture ako na lang.
Solo. Ba.
May video ka na.
One, two.
One picture.
One, two.
Diniban.
Kagapo, no?
May tapawo, ginagluso to. Ay, may ginanamig, ang puli na sa'yo. Victorias na pala. Ha? Victorias na kawain. Wala, stay na Victorias. Why, tsura galing? Mag-control na eh? Ha? Hindi. Mabilang gabang. Gutom. Gutom na. Gutom. Gutom na na eh. Gutom gid.
Gutom.
Japon. Asay si Midja. Asay si Midja, inigaran.
Okay. Sige, sige.
Pagiging nila ng matsigan eh. Hindi mo gutom, no? Mabili, no? No? Kaya sa sunod, nagawa na naman, pitch up kung pagkalungit. Anong balik mo? 23 pa ako malakas. Masayarte siya. January? Oo. Ang 23? Karoon eh, may bilhin ka sa mga. Karoon may pasako. Ang masako. Hindi, kinpultang siya dahil sa mga. Ako niya rin dire. Kinalisin pultang ko sa pamo dito sa may sa may San Carlos na tumugo ko, 106. Pagod 376. 106.
Ako mga 600 gross, 650.
San Carlos.
Ha? Ha? Oo, mga 650 bro, mga drop.
San Carlos, mukhang Dumagiti, apat na dito. Sobra ko, 225 din. San Carlos sa Dumagiti. May isang motor niyo mo, abi. Ang reader siya nung grabe yung kaon. Pare, 150cc yun. 700 kesto na mo gasolina? 30. Budlay ko ngayon mga baklag gasolina, bro.
Teka, kapit pa takit. Kuha niya, karga.
Kasong bilang ito po. Sobrang magiging po. Kasong ito ba? 320.
The world, mom, people living like they ain't got no moms. I think the whole world addicted to the drama. Only attracted to the things that will bring the trauma. Overseas, yeah, we're trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, then you only need space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, badness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Nigga gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate, let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children hurt and youth and crying. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send us some guidance from above. Cause people got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
Just strange, always unchanged. New days are strange, just the world insane. Love and peace so strong. Why the peace of love that don't belong? Nations dropping bombs, chemical gases filling lungs of little ones with an ongoing suffering. So you die young, so ask yourself, is the loving really good? So I could ask myself, really what is going on in this world that we're living in? People keep on giving in, making wrong decisions on the visions of the dividend, not respecting each other, deny thy brother. Or what's going on, but the reasons undercover. If you just kept secret, it's swept under the rug. If you never knew the truth, then you never know love was the love, y'all. Come on,
I don't know.
what's the truth, y'all? Come on,
I don't know.
what's the love, y'all?
People killing, people dying, children hurt and youth and crying. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. Cause people got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
I feel the weight of the world on my shoulders. I'm getting older, your people gets colder. Most of us only care about money making. Selfishness got us following our own direction. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria. Infecting the